Another episode of Did You Know? Appreciate you guys always showing up. Appreciate your likes and your shares. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe. Tell somebody about it. We've done some videos about COVID. We talked about voting. And I think now it's time to talk about diversity in leadership, right? As we're moving into this season where we're going to be pushing the administration towards action, we're going to have to organize. And that organizing is going to have to be led not only by the stories of directly impacted people and their voices, but also those individuals. So, we believe that experts are those who are, closest to those issues. And so we need to rely on the experts if we're going to really lay out our solutions in an effective, authentic way. All right? So we're going to spend the next couple of episodes, next few episodes, I don't know, we'll see, talking about directly impacted leadership, the importance of making sure folks who are formerly incarcerated, folks who are directly impacted by the issue, are not only there in terms of showing up to tell their stories, but they're also at the table when we're crafting our plans and thinking about and ideating around our campaigning. All right? So, did you know about diversity in leadership?